Hi everyone. Welcome to Cocosenor. Struggling to open HEIC photos on your computer? Here's a quick way to convert HEIC to JPG online, for free. Use Cocosenor HEIC Converter. It's fast, secure, and completely free online, no software needed. Now I would show you the process. Open Cocosenor HEIC Converter official website at any browser. OK, upload your HEIC files from your device. You can drag and drop multiple images at once. Then click Convert Now to begin the conversion. In just seconds, you can see the JPG files. Click Download to download your files. Try it now and convert your HEIC files. OK, it's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.